know, sir, I thought back down at ibbysoai and I say, yo, show them a crazy coffee mugs. You can put coffee or tea or whatever. The mouth part is not varnished because you don't know. You don't want that when you're drinking. And this crazy cool chalice. This is like a one-of-a-kind kind of chalice. So if you guys are interested in it, just let me know. Shoot me an email or shoot me a message on YouTube or Instagram. And I'll consider putting this on the website, but this for sure I'm gonna get one of these for you guys and talk about the website. What do you think about them, Jelly?
They're very nice. Like
Vibes,
this. Yeah, very nice.
Yeah,
very unique.
I'm gonna get this and see
if
anybody would like
coffee
this.
and tea.
Coffee and tea. Yeah, I'll do a coffee set for this one. So the eye just saw something a while ago.
Yeah man, the eye name Gravity, you know? Rise some property, you know? Yeah man, the Gravity my eye name.
Vibes.
So anybody who hear name Gravity now, I just want to hear them name so. A long time, I'm the original Gravity.
Vibes.
You understand me? Yeah man, respect.
Alright guys, welcome back to Stuck on an Island where I'm stuck with you guys and we are always smiling. So we are on another adventure. And of course, I took Jilly.
Hi. The chauffeur.
Facts. So yeah, you guys probably already saw what's in the title already. So yeah, we're gonna go try to link up with Ras Mokko. Like, I'm just coming out of this lockdown and yeah, I really want to go somewhere where just like be just calm, relaxing. Is it up a river close by? You don't have to really have to worry about no cooking or whatever, cause guess what? I'm gonna make Mokko deal with all of that. Why not? From the legend himself. So yeah, we're on our way there now. It's somewhere around 5 o'clock, so we have about 3 hours to journey before curfew time. In Jamaica right now, the curfew time is 8 p.m. So anyway, let me try to hold tight because Julie's dropping in every single pothole that she can find, and that's why my camera is jerking that much. I'm so sorry, guys.
The light that was on, I got the blue light.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, I'm there, man. Mr. Come in.
Alright, cooking chicken.
Tell you me.
Yeah. Bless up. Alright, so I was just talking to Ras Mokko just now, and it was crazy. He was just like, yo, who this? And then he mentioned something like, yo, if I suck on an island, we can come. So that's like, yo, anyway. So that's a key thing to bear in mind. Make sure that, yeah, he might not be as Airbnb savvy like the other Airbnbers or whatever, but just link him up, talk to him, make him know, say, yo, you are gonna be there and it's gonna be a forward. Isn't he? Mentioned to me that he might cook some food, some chicken or whatever, so definitely looking forward to eat some of Ras Mokko's food out there. Isn't it? Julia, are you excited about the food or?
Yeah, I'm starving. You see that between chicken or cabbage? You don't know what's there.
Vibes. Guys, we just had to stop because we just saw this little river thing, which I find really amazing, yo. Alright, we can cross. Yeah, that's the amazing thing about Jamaica. You can stop and just find any beach, any river. You don't have to go to named places. People always ask me, where is this? What's the name? I just find random spots. Yo, check this out, guys. And it goes way, yo, the camera can't show you guys. Isn't it like amazing, right?
All the way over there.
It goes all the way up, yo. It's crazy. Yo, that's exactly how you find gems, yo. That was like, you've passed here several times, you never seen that before, right? I've never seen it before either. If you guys know what that place is called, I don't know. But yeah, that's how you find really cool spots. But anyway, let's get back on the road. Guys, look at that waterfall. If you look right there, you'll see it. Yo, wait. You guys see that? Crazy. Yo, you guys should see this in real life.
What, 200 or 150?
Alright, so we stop at this quick little street food spot. I believe this is in Port Antonio. So, Port Antonio? Buff Bay.
Buff Bay.
We in Buff Bay.
Nobody can tell me.
Yeah, right at Portland. So we go get some pigtail soup and we gonna also hold some jerk chicken as well.
What do you have for the side?
Festival.
Hotel.
What's your street food spot name? What is place name?
What you play restaurant?
Miniature Center.
mini jerk center. So we're a mini jerk center in a Buff Beer right beside of the gas station. She's right beside Daryl Voss's office. So if you know which part that there, and the sign, the big sign is right there. So there's a gas station just across there. Alright, vibes.
Yeah, man. So we are sharing with this stuff.
Guys, we come here so late, you know, so soon closing up time, that's all?
Yeah, tell him, make it know.
Soon closing up time.
So yeah, okay. You want to cover or you have a go and drink?
I'm going to drink.
Let me give it.
You can get a cover, please, just in case.
Yeah, but we'll give you a cover soon, in case, you know, get the...
So I can try it and let me know what's going on.
Yeah, man, I can't stop here no time. I have fish. They have fish now. We still don't have no.
Yeah, fish? What kind of fish?
No,
Roast fish?
no. Fry and cook.
Okay.
Not today. I'm not gonna get this now and burn it today.
Oh, you're not gonna burn it today, no?
Not today. Soup nice.
Nice?
Yeah, the only thing is that but I want some more pigtail in the bottom.
More pigtail?
But it's late,
Yeah,
so
that is so
pigtail
good
done.
right now.
Right?
You understand?
It's the last side, but it's nice.
Yeah.
Nice, the vibes. The interesting color though, because I know some person go watch the video and say, oh, it's not red. But it tastes like pigtail soup.
Yeah, it's pigtail. Yeah.
Okay.
Peas in there, but not a lot of peas. Yeah. Is
Right.
pigtail and chicken put in there?
Yes, Dad.
I
Yes.
think she says pigtail and it's pigtail
Oh,
and
it's
chicken
pigtail
foot
and
too.
chicken
And
foot.
what?
I think that's what
Okay.
she had said.
Yeah. That pork.
Thank you.
It's a quick confirmation, it's a pigtail
Yes,
and chicken foot soup. So that's why the color is not red for those who might be wondering.
Oh, thank you.
Try this. I like whatever night to go take me street. Yeah, it's a really nice soup.
It was not, I never use flour and thicken it at all.
Yeah, you can tell. And it's not too salty either.
Exactly.
Yeah, the saltiness is
When you
good.
have pigtail soup, it's out.
Yeah. Wow. It's really good.
You coming up?
In at the jerk pan.
Yeah, man. So here's this jerk chicken here.
Yeah.
Lemon tie.
Yes, mommy. I like that.
Pretty and nice.
Well, I'm gonna come close to the car.
Yes, nice jerk chicken. Well tasty.
Yes, can see it, man. Thank you.
Pretty.
Alright. Vibes.
Yeah, man. What do you mean? Nice and juicy.
So we like, you know, we love when the chef them confident about them dish. Yeah. You know, them a laugh and make you know say, oh, no ask question if the food good. Vibes. Soup is really good, guys. Really good. I've never seen this combination, but it's good.
Tomorrow lobster.
Oh, nice.
Chicken and nice.
Tomorrow we get the lobster. There you go. So this is the hot pepper sauce now, so you have to take time with it.
I like the color of this out, that jerky, I look like it. You know?
Yeah.
Take them time with it, man. I had to turn on the light, guys, to show you the color of this jerk chicken. But I for sure, because I'm not sitting in the dark. Run look at the little bit ketchup. Thank you. And, yep. The chef mentioned to the jerk sauce, you're hot, you know. And me won't take bossy. Yes, for sure. I'm not going to take bossy. Alright, I'm going to try which piece you want to try. You go first, baby.
You want me to take the leg? But you like
Yeah, go for the leg, man.
Alright, ready for the jerk pork now?
You want me to try some of your jerk pork? Alright, I like that, man. I have to go try some of your jerk pork, yes. Okay. It's really hot. In terms of... try this sauce now.
There you go. Alright, man. Put the one set of jerky. Yeah, what? Yeah, I'm not supposed to. Alright, no problem.
And the sauce is really hot. I think about it. Good?
Let's go.
Food there?
Okay, now so you can see. It's a tasting, you see me?
Wow. May I appreciate that. So the chef
Yes, they want to put on board.
introduces some pork, free of cost, just to show us, you know, and this is the greatest thing I like about people who are understand what social media is and how we just there to try to show off our place, you understand?
No, different cup.
Thank you.
I like readers like, thank you. This is the part here. See that? Oh, nice and fatty. Let's try that part. Ooh. Good.
Cover this one?
Yeah.
You recently come here, so you're there so for a while now?
1 year on.
1 year. Ah.
But me used to, down at bottom Jerk Center.
Oh, okay.
Somebody, 11 years there with them.
11 years there.
Yeah.
Okay, that's nice.
Makes sense.
Somebody with 11 years.
What's your name? Whatever his name.
Melissa Brown.
Melissa.
And they call me Jerky.
Jerky. In Jamaica, this is classic. Like, once you have food, you have a bone, you have a bone already?
That's why it's so fat.
Don't make the big one catch it front.
That's why it's so big.
Alright, watch out. Me and give you your special. Come. Listen.
Come here. Let me just show you something. Come big one. Come big.
But look up. Oh, God. Finally. Bro. No, we know why I'm fat so. Oh my gosh.
SOAI.
Everything that we got, drinks included, 880 Jamaican dollars.
Alright, so we can cut off this, right?
For sure.
Put it in when we go down.
Alright, appreciate it.
Okay.
Bye.
Thanks.
So we're back on the road and Jilly's like, why this road don't have lights? Because we're in the country. Guys, we are at the famous, well, we're at the entrance to the famous Ras Mokko. Yeah, I had to take over the wheel just now because, yeah, Jillian was slow poking. So, exactly, but yeah, and I cut the time by like 5 minutes based off Google. Huh? Remember I asked if you wanted me to drive? Yeah. So yeah, we're here. Didn't want to keep Mokko waiting too long, so I had to, like, you know, drive the rest of the way. But anyway, we're here, so let's go down and link up with the great legend. Yo, I need this weekend, a weekend where I don't cook. Like, I actually just try, you know, like other people's cooking and just enjoy myself. No, I have to laugh now, Jillian. I was so...
You don't want the snacks?
We can come back up, you know. We have to, I want to know that we're here. Brother, in my head, I say, wow, Jillian packed light. Which one we go, Miami? She came with even blankets, bro.
Yes.
Alright, let's go link up with Mokko.
Nothing there enough.
I'm chain up, man. I'm good, man. Yes, I. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Come on, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. You remember me? Are you same one? I say remember for you same one. Yeah.
Hi.
Blessings, Ras Mokko.
Bye.
Yes, I finally make it. Oh God.
Yeah, man.
Yes, my general. Blessings. Good to see you again. Just to see you
You're
again.
stuck in the island.
Yes.
You're stuck up around the corner.
How you feeling?
I'm so happy to be here.
Right? You,
Yeah, man.
you remember you said like you want to turn the dark on. He's like, you sure it's here? I'm like, it's here.
Yeah.
But then you can hear like the river. Like
I
that's
can hear it in the background.
that's the first thing that you definitely hear.
So I'll take off my clothes.
Alright, come on, Julian. Come on, let's go. Cause people are gonna hear you say that and they were like,
And sleep. Exactly. I said, put on my pajamas. I'll go to my bed.
vibes. Look for my smoker dog them. See them, man. Eh? Them good, eh? Yeah, them good same way, man. I too same man what they did from about last year. Them same man. Eh? No, I come honest with two. I remember then they come must say poison off or kill off.
I didn't came to there.
Them same too.
Recently.
This is one I knew, the female there.
And that one over there, so.
Okay.
One over there, so. I get him new too.
Get him new.
Yeah, when I put that one over there.
Okay. This that property, the house that just built up.
Yeah, man, I'm putting your house, that's the one.
Ah, see, yeah, step it up, man.
When you come up at the yard up there, you know, if you look, you know, one pretty bus in the yard up there.
Missy say you get a bus.
I think the bus.
Yeah.
By January, man.
That's the one for see, man.
Deal, you know?
Vibes.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Vibes. So Missy say you give tours and stuff. So anybody come and so no, you have your bus, you can give them tour and drive them go around.
Yeah, man, I'll tell them, but right now,
Yeah.
today, I go out, but I don't drive the bus. We drive a different car.
Okay.
We got there enough to, you know. when I talk to me, I put alongside me there, you know.
Yeah, they tell me, say, you go to Port and do some business.
Yeah, man. And some guests me carry.
Oh, so you give them a tour and thing.
No, carry them back with them when I pick them up from Portland side.
So that means your business improve now. So when people come down from Canada, they can pick them up and drop them back.
Canada now open to me.
Okay. So if people come out Ras Mokko now, why charge for them for you carry them go airport or wherever? You have a particular charge?
Yeah, man. Then I carry them go airport and carry them back. I get some good reservation when they come a while. You know?
Okay.
In the evening, yeah?
Yeah.
So I don't know one girl,
Yeah.
a little rasta year girl. I don't know I was insecure, but she asked me in the near feet that I go there in the yard. So I said, boy, I can't tell you, because
True.
me I do, you know.
Yeah.
You know, so I don't know.
True.
So when he come now, I will come back.
Okay.
Back. I don't like to do farming and sitting, you know.
Vibes.
Good vibes.
Vibes, good vibes. So we know Jilly you're hungry. And we know Sir Ras Mokko deal with some food. So the boss on the legendary stove. Yeah, man. Keep the food warm.
Yeah, warm.
Warm, same way. It's a vibes.
That's a yawn.
It's a vibe. Yarn.
That's a yawn.
Oh my gosh. But now I go like my miss come down here, so man. You know how much time people must say, nah, go link back Ras Mokko. Yeah.
Yeah, man. I saw me do, you know, sometimes I may have other place too, you know. Other hills too, you know.
Oh, you have other place too?
Higher heights me there too, you know.
Ah.
That one up on the video.
Okay.
Higher heights.
I never know say have that place, you know, so.
Different place up in the hills when the band and go, brother.
Okay.
Up them Rasta man there, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, I mash up there, do some wicked man farming up there, you know.
Yeah.
I thought, man, I plant some bit of up there this year too,
I can't believe say Ratty actually remember say we go up on the road and go buy bun and cheese.
Yeah,
forget
about the boy,
some
man.
things.
The boy talented, you know.
You know, forget, man.
Get nothing in a Rasta.
Remember that night that we were running in the rain too? Because we stuck out there, you know? Yes, me, I run rat. Hey. Wow. I feel like we are running our river. I feel like we are running a river. Oh. This man have him homemade talk. So when I care and the rain fall, so I say, Ratty, call Mokko make you know, say. We just up there sucking the rain. Yeah. And then we say, no what? We can run out. I say, run out.
And him enjoy that, I had him enjoy.
Yeah, it's memorable.
Thing, you know, brother.
You know, forget, man.
That youth man, you know. A sensible youth man, but in losing father, you know. They I know, right?
Yeah, man, I know, man.
You know what I mean, losing father?
Yeah.
The gunman in shooting.
Oh, no.
Yes, man. From the man of small little baby Rasta, man. Can't believe. But it's a gang and friends.
Yeah. No good thing, man.
No good thing. Me not play none of them something they need no fire, man. Jano star.
Rough.
Rough like.
but everybody watch the video, them know say you was a youth, him smart. Like, when you come out to the farm and him know the plant them and how to plant them already.
Well, if you look down at that stuff, if you look down at yard back on there, you see how man I do down there.
You might go on with that thing, though.
Yeah, man.
Neighbors. 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 Where's everyone?